How to delete or remove multiple devices from Google Play Store account or from your Google account. So if you have old phones still linked to your Google account or still linked to your Google Play Store account, then this video is going to walk you through how you can remove all these devices from your account. So if you know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do is you want to open a browser and then go to account.google.com. Now sign into the Google account you have signed into your Play Store, so this is important. Otherwise, you'll not be able to remove the device from your Google account as well as from the Play Store. Then go ahead and click on security. Now once you select security, scroll down the page until you get to devices. Here you see your devices. Then locate manage all devices and click on it. Now once you click on all devices, then you should see all the devices that are logged into your Google account as well as your Google Play Store account. Then locate the device you do not know here or you no longer have access to or use here and then remove it. To do this, all you just need to do is click on the name of the device, click on sign out, and then you should see sign out of the name of the device here, then click on sign out. Then you should see done, but some app might still have access, click on OK. Then you'll be signed out of this application. Then again, repeat this on all other devices you want to remove from your Google account, and once that is done, like this, go ahead and go to play.google.com. Here, in this case, we want to remove all these devices from our Google Play Store account. Click on your profile icon at the top right, then click on Library and Devices, then scroll through the Library and Devices and click on Devices. Then, while on this page, you discover that if you try to remove any of these, you won't be able to do that because you cannot remove linked devices from Google Play Store on the mobile version. So, you just need to click on the three dots, then request desktop site. So this will allow you to have option to remove the mobile device on your phone. You see? And here, if you have multiple devices here, to remove any of these devices from accessing your Google Play Store, just uncheck the device. So make sure you keep at least one device, and I always recommend you keep your active device, this particular device we're using, and then, or if you have any other, just make sure you do not check the device you want to use to access your Google Play Store. And once you've unchecked the one you want to remove, then you're good to go. You can now go back to your desktop site or just exit the page. And then you discover that the device will no longer have access to your Google Play Store again. So that is basically how to remove devices from Google Play Store. And you can also use this to remove multiple devices at once by unchecking these devices from the Play Store page. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.